เดี๋ยวมันจะถล่มแล้วน่ะมันจะหลุดแล้วน่ะจะล่วงแล้วจะล่วงแล้วเคนนั่นนะครับไปแล้วล่วงแล้วนี่เอ้ยทั้งตึกเลยสัตว์เอ้ยสึกสตงที่ปปอ่ะ
โอ้มิดเลยเหรอSo I just played some pretty devastating visuals from the historic earthquake that happened on the other part of the world. If you guys are familiar somewhat, and I'll put a map here in a second as I'm talking. If you guys are familiar with the country of Thailand, as far as tourism goes, you hear Thailand for its cost of living. A lot of cultures visiting and or relocating to that country. You have Pattaya, you have Chiang Mai, you have Janeiro Beach, and then you have the metro area of Bangkok. That kind of compares to places in the U.S. like New York City, LA, Nashville, Tampa, maybe a Denver, right? Cities like that, locations in that respect, where a lot of people not only visit outside of the country, but live there, relocate there, retire there. It's a definite landing spot of different demographics. Anyway, Myanmar, where the earthquake actually initiated and ran through. So as you're looking at the map, you see the velocity in red coming from north of Myanmar up near Burma, going down, affecting Thailand, going down to more of the southern parts, right? Going a little past Bangkok. It's incredible. The light blue on the velocity spectrum is the affected area. As it gets darker, right, the red is its heaviest devastation. The earthquake was centralized in Mandalay. And it ran all the way down to its neighboring country. It affected hundreds of miles of radius. And it was so devastating, right? Again, the centralized part of the earthquake is in Mandalay, Myanmar, and it was a 7.7. That's high on the Richter scale. That's extremely devastating. It was so devastating. That score is so devastating that it tore apart buildings hundreds of miles away in a neighboring country. That's incredible. So obviously I say that to say this: blessings and peace goes out to all people that was affected. All people that was affected. You can never really prepare for those natural occurrences. You just have to respond as best as you can. And just kind of wait for more of those tremors to occur. Just be alert, you know. So obviously people who are seeing this video, if you guys are in the neighboring area of Thailand and Myanmar, you guys obviously have more details, and I hope preparations are being made on your guys' behalf. That is devastating to be both a tourist and a civilian in that area while that happens. So blessings of the people Thailand. Blessings to the people of Myanmar and all that was affected in that area, man. In that area. So I know there's a lot of people who are fleeing that location, especially Thailand. It's a little bit more, again, it's bigger. It's a little more populated, especially with Americans. So, you know, people like us are not used to certain catastrophes like that. So I know a lot of people are fleeing to other countries, back to America, whether it's short term or not trying to look back. So you do what's best for you and your family and stay safe. So, peace.